Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Xia and here is my app. Have you ever went to Google, searched something up, only to find that Google has thrown you headfirst into 20 articles about, or maybe you've been led to a YouTube link. You sit through a video that's boring from 1998, dusty, crusty, musty, it's all to end up with no information. As we can agree, these scenarios happen way too often and waste too much of our time. And for both of these, we actually have to read and pay attention for more than 7 seconds, which to me is the biggest deal breaker. And I believe this simply isn't right. We live in 2023 and we shouldn't have to read or pay attention for more than 7 seconds on anything. And that's where my app How.to comes in. It serves as a productivity tool, enabling users to extract what they want and only what they want. For example, they can extract a step-by-step guide for whatever they want, or they can extract a summary from an article or a YouTube video. If you want to find the best YouTube videos given a search prompt, How.to can also do that. But don't worry, there's also quantitative data to back this up. You see, a study in 2015 concluded information overload causes more than $500 billion in profit loss yearly. This is my platform of choice. As you can see, my app can go through every single screen size. My app is in the process of being deployed to the App Store right now. When faced with the app, you can log in or make an account. If you don't have an account, click register. So once you get in, you're going to be greeted by a profile page. You can edit your profile, do all this fancy stuff. Light mode yeah. Okay, so now onto the website. This generates summary. Let's just briefly go through all the tools. So it asks for a website URL and you can give it a URL. So let's take this one, just a random CNN article. Let's put it in here and it should return a summary of the article right here. And same thing for talk to an article. Let's say like, who are the people involved? And this how-to guide, we will touch on this for the YouTube one. So this one, get summary and talk to video is the same idea as the website, but for how-to YouTube one, copy this link, we're gonna paste it here, and then we're gonna extract the how-to guide. So it's gonna return a step-by-step guide as to how I can fix my tire. As you can see here, it's the step-by-step guide. And lastly, this video query, you basically enter a prompt. What it's going to do is it's going to call my API and it's going to use an algorithm to get the top 3 best videos. Look at this. And it's going to return 3 videos. Video 1 is right here. You can view it directly within the app if you want. If you look here, this is the score that's given to it by my algorithm. And these videos are picked off of their scores. Explanation. Okay, so basically what happens in this app is whenever a user sends a request, it triggers an API. The API does something, and the API is hosted on the cloud. Let's just do that right now. So here's my API. Here, it's hosted on render.com. If you look at right here, we just did a top video query, and as you can see right here, there's a post request. It's called YouTube summary. New user signs up. I have a database in the backend from Google. It's called Google Firebase, and I have a collection of users. There's a created time, display name, email, and unique ID or user ID. So my code is a Python REST Flask API. It's a Python REST API. For the YouTube version, I used Flask OS, OpenAI, YouTube transcript API to grab the actual transcripts, and then all of this kind of helper tools. I can show you the website really fast. I mean, it's just same thing, same idea, not same thing. I use Beautiful Soup, and then I just grab every text with the element P, tag P.